So good morning, guys. Good morning to another one. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So right now, what I'll be doing is I will be showing you guys. Um, I will start from no. We started the class of talking about trend. So what I'll do first is show you guys how to identify the trend on the market. Are you guys with me? So now let's start from the daily. This here is XAUSD. All right, this is gold, and I've been trading gold for a while. Let me use on that chart. This chart is not that clean. Let me use on that chart. Let's go with one Honda, if that's the pronunciation. All right. I hope you guys can hear me because I don't have a mic. So right now we'll be identifying trends of the market. So now let me just show you guys because this should not take long. Let me just show you guys what the trend actually look at. What's a trend of the what sorry. Let me show you guys the trends in which we talked about. First of all, we did talk about the bullish trend, which is price creating higher highs and higher lows. Higher highs, then higher lows, and higher highs. Right? Then we talked about bearish trend, which is price creating lower highs and lower lows. Lower high, lower low, lower high, then lower low. Then we spoke about the last sorry. Then with this then we spoke about the last trend, which is the accumulative trend, which is no trend in general, which is something like this, a consolidation, if yeah, something like this. So yeah. So now that I have illustrated the three trends I'm talking about, now let me show you guys on the actual chart. So now let's start from the let me go to the 1 hour. Okay, yep. So right here on the 1 hour, let's start with the speaking of which, this here is an accumulative trend right here. This on the 1 hour time frame is an accumulative trend. If we mark out this, look at how price range from this level. Look at all of this. Look at these guys. See this box I'm marking out right here. You can see how price ranged within it. You can see how price range from this level, came here, came down, came up, came down, came here, came down, before eventually we had a breakout. Yeah. So this here, guys, is an accumulative trend. Within this range, we are not looking for any trend. Within this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is literally 5 days. This is 5 hours. Oh, sorry, actually 5 days though. This Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So what the sorry, I said Saturday. The market doesn't open on Saturdays. So this is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday. Then it was on Wednesday we had the breakout. Starting from the Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we had the breakout. So this year, my point here is this year is an accumulative trend. If you guys can see, where is it? Oh, it's massive already. All right, this is it here. As you guys can see, this here is an accumulative. This is it here. We had price ranging within a specific zone, and that is what happened. That is what you see here. Now that we've spoken of the accumulative trend, now let's go to the next one, which is likely the bullish trend. All right, so here is a bullish trend, but not that clean. Let's talk of this. Let me look for something more clean. All right, here is a bullish trend exactly. As you guys can see the movement, as you guys can see the market movement, it says it all. This here is a higher low. This one is a higher high, a higher low here, then a higher low, then a higher high, then a higher low down here, then still we move all the way to this high, which created a higher high, came down here, creating a higher low. So as you guys can see, this is a bullish trend. And now notice something. As price is creating new higher, once price creates a higher low, Once price creates a higher low, what does it do? Does sorry, what does the market do? The market comes and break a structure. You see, the market comes, break a structure after what the higher low has been created. The higher low, once the higher low has been created, we are definitely going to see a break of structure. At the same time, over here, after this higher low was created, this that low here was created, we saw what a break of structure right here. Even at this point here also, yeah, after this low was created, we saw a break of structure right here. So there it is. Oh, sorry, why did I move that stuff? Yeah, as you guys can see, if you keep looking at this, is another higher low. Once after this higher low was created, what do we have? A break of structure. After this higher low was created, a break of structure. So there it is. This is what a bullish movement looks like. Are you guys with me? This is what a bullish movement looks like. So yeah, now onto the last, which is the bearish trend. Simple. This here is a bearish trend, but I want a more clean bearish trend. And good buys a lot, so it's hard to see a bearish trend though. But let's hold. We should be able to see some around here. No, let's use this guy, yeah. Oh, confirm. All right, so here we go. All right, let's use this guy. If you guys can see, we have what a higher low, then a lower low, a higher low, then a lower low, a higher low, then a lower low, higher low, lower low, all the way down. As you guys can see, all the way down, we had higher lows and lower low, higher lows and lower lows, higher lows and lower lows. Now, same thing. What happened? After price created a higher low, we saw a break of structure. I hope you guys are seeing this. After a higher low was created, what do we see? A break of structure. After a higher low was created here, we also saw what? A break of structure to the downside. So now this is what a bearish movement, a bearish trend looks like. We are creating lows, a higher high, higher lows and lower lows, higher lows and lower lows, higher lows and lower lows. That is how to identify a bearish trend, a bullish trend, and a consolidation market. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next one, which is going to be key levels. Peace.